morning, everybody. Good morning. Deputy Chief Halsey, thanks for that introduction. Thank you for being the MC today. What an honor to be able to participate in the swearing-in ceremony of Estella Patterson as the new police chief of the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department. Now, I will say, I'm 30 years a Raleigh boy. So when she told me that she was retiring from police chief in Raleigh, I was very disappointed because I was like, we're losing this fantastic police leader. But I think that this is something that I can accept as the governor of North Carolina. And she came back to Charlotte, North Carolina. And this is a special homecoming. Because as we all know, she is of this police department. She started in this police department. Back in 1996, she was a member of the 123rd recruit class. And I don't know if y'all know it, but she was the president of that recruit class. Her classmates always described her as always out front, motivating others. That is the style of leadership that she embodies to this day. She spent her first 9 years as a patrol officer here, ultimately rising through the ranks to be the deputy chief of police over patrol operations. She did have this hiatus of 4 years in Raleigh, where she was police chief, but I gotta tell you, those 4 years were incredibly impactful to our capital city. She prioritized reducing violent crime, maximizing community engagement, and enhancing employee morale. During her tenure, she cut the number of vacancies in the Raleigh Police Department by 75%. In this room understand what a challenge it is. There are so many vacancies in law enforcement agencies across the state, honestly across the country. So she really achieved an impressive feat. When I was Attorney General and she was police chief in Raleigh, we partnered to eliminate the backlog of what had been the largest backlog of untested rape kits in this country. She then worked to move those cold case investigations forward, solving crimes, putting dangerous people behind bars, and most importantly, delivering justice to survivors. She will bring that same dedication and vision that she had in Raleigh back to you all here in Charlotte. She had fully retired. She said, I'm taking a break. I fully retired. But when Charlotte called, she answered. Because the work of law enforcement is indeed a special calling. Officers and deputies, when there's something bad, they run toward that danger when the rest of us take cover. They each say yes. Yes to protect, yes to serve. Because the people of this community are counting on Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department to keep folks safe, and we do live in complicated times. I want to thank every officer in this room, even those from Charlotte and from Raleigh, for the sacrifices that they made to keep people safe. We in Raleigh are advocating for you. We need to raise law enforcement salaries. We need to offer hiring bonuses so that we can recruit and retain more well-trained police officers across the state. Because that's what we want. We want more of these public-spirited, well-trained officers on the beat in our communities, keeping folks safe. And I want to commend the mayor, the manager, and the police chief for announcing yesterday Operation Safe Season, which is going to be a surge of law enforcement across the city, including from a number of state agencies. Because folks need to be safe, they need to feel safe. We also need to create more violence prevention initiatives to keep kids out of gangs and to help people overcome their addictions. Charlotte knows this too well. We need to have a well-functioning crisis mental health care system that gets people treatment before they pose a danger to themselves and others. I look forward to working with Chief Patterson to make progress in these areas that will enhance our community safety and improve the working conditions of the officers of the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department. Chief Patterson, at the end of the day, your work, my work, our work, it's the same. It's about keeping people safe in their communities, and we're going to keep at this work because it never ends. It's challenging work, it's hard work, but it is such important work, and it's incredibly rewarding work. It takes a special person to make a career out of public safety. So I want to thank you. I want to thank everyone in this room who have made that decision. Somebody who wants to serve others. I love that you said that you knew that you wanted to go into this line of work because you cared about serving other people. Fundamentally, that's what the police do. They serve us. They protect us. So I want all of Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police to know that I am in your corner. I am counting. I'm doing everything I can to help you to succeed because your success is all of our success. It's the people of Charlotte's success. It's the people of Mecklenburg County's success. It is the people of North Carolina's success. So I thank you and I congratulate you on this new important opportunity.